In a rapidly evolving world, Europe stands at the crossroads of innovation. Welcome to FELICE, an ambitious EU-funded project uniting brilliant minds across borders. Our mission? To develop next-generation assembly processes that combine human skills with automation. Feliz develops solutions that ensure the safety and improve the physical and mental well-being of factory workers. Flexibility and agility in assembly lines are essential in production, where human labor still plays a crucial role in delivering the flexibility needed to meet ever-changing demands. However, this flexibility comes with significant challenges for both the production system and assembly workers. Combining workers' well-being and operational efficiency is equally important. To address these challenges, we need innovative solutions, dynamic workflow planning systems, advanced simulation tools, and comprehensive ergonomic tracking systems designed to support an increasingly diverse workforce. These advancements are essential to safeguarding both productivity and the health of our workers. Felice unites multidisciplinary research in collaborative robotics, AI, computer vision, IoT, machine learning, data analytics, cyber-physical systems, process optimization, and ergonomics to deliver a modular platform that will support future manufacturing assembly floors in becoming more agile and flexible. Felice solutions and innovations consist of modules that can be applied in 3 innovation clusters: smart production system control and management solutions to orchestrate the assembly process, and digital twins capable of simulating or representing the shop floors. Adaptive workstations, automatically configuring themselves for workers, a mobile robot able to navigate the shop floor and fetch objects to support workers. In their entirety, we call it the Felice system, which is powered by the FiWare open-source framework. The mobile collaborative robot hardware by Acria Engineering is equipped with advanced object detection and localization, as well as scene perception capabilities, a manipulation and grasp planning system, as well as microphones and cameras for manual speech and gesture control. In the Felice system, cobots are in the vicinity of humans, ready to receive commands. The functionalities of the system, for example, asking for the help of the robot, requesting the robot to perform the handover of tools, commanding the robot to take a tool or a door part, adjusting the adaptive workstation, and more, are among the capabilities that can be exploited by the workers. Workers can access the functionalities of the Felice system in 2 ways. One, by issuing speech or gesture commands.
Okay, robot. Bring me the fast elbow screwdriver.
Or by pressing buttons on the tablets positioned on the workstations or along the assembly line. In order to move safely and efficiently in dynamic, partially known environments, a robot must be aware of its position with respect to its surroundings and use this information to plan and execute paths to desired destinations. These processes of localization and navigation are essential for autonomous operation. The robot will start from its home position and be commanded to pick up a tool from a restricted set of tools. The robot moves to the tool stand and uses its camera on the robot arm to scan and locate the tool. It dynamically adjusts its position to get a clear view and accurately detects the tool. Once the tool is detected, the robot's arm picks up the tool and prepares to hand it over to the worker. The system tracks the worker's position and whether they are left or right-handed. It approaches and selects the most comfortable spot to hand over the tool. When the worker signals, by reaching out, the robot safely releases the tool when it detects one of 3 triggers. Gently pulling the tool, using force sensor data, giving a voice command, pressing the corresponding button on the robot interface. After the worker finishes the task, the robot stretches its arm to take back the tool, monitoring the worker's arm position. The worker can either push the tool into the robot's hand or use a voice command or button press to trigger the robot to close its gripper and securely take the tool back. After receiving the tool, the robot takes the best position to approach the tool stand from its prior knowledge and navigates to that location. Using the camera on the arm, it dynamically adjusts its position to get a clear view and accurately detect the tool holder. Once the tool holder is detected, the robot's arm moves into position and safely places the tool back into the holder, completing the task. The Felice digital twin introduces an innovative feature, the digital mirror. This add-on, currently in its early stages, leverages real-time data from the existing Felice software modules. In manual mode, the digital mirror creates a virtual representation of the assembly line, providing a clear, real-time view of operations. Supervisors, managers, and trainees can monitor activities from a bird's-eye perspective, enhancing their understanding of the ongoing processes. The digital mirror shows great promise for assembly lines. It offers significant benefits, including improved monitoring and analysis, enhanced training, and knowledge sharing. The discrete event simulation model is part of the digital twin module, and it is a tool designed for fast-time simulations, aimed at improving the operational efficiency of the assembly line. The DES module is seamlessly integrated with the orchestrator, but it can also be used directly by a human operator to perform standalone simulations and optimizations. The simulation model's logic faithfully replicates all operations occurring on the assembly line. Additionally, the system includes 2D and 3D animations to help identify potential delays at different workstations. Finally, a dashboard allows the user to quickly access the results generated by the DES module by monitoring specific KPIs, including utilization levels, productivity, assembly times, delays, and operators' efficiencies, and enables the optimization of the assembly line. The DES module can be fully controlled by the orchestrator, which can manage the simulation by setting relevant parameters and optimizing the door assembly line. A variation of the Felice system includes the support of an adaptive workstation designed to reduce the physical workload on workers. The adaptive workstation uses actuators to adjust the position of the working object tailored to the user's anthropometry to ensure ergonomic postures. The adaptive workstation is designed to increase both comfort and productivity. Its smart user interface allows you to control the workstation with the touch of a button. The integrated lighting system can be used to adapt the local lighting at different times of the day and for specific activities to maintain an optimal working environment. In manual mode, workers can also use speech commands to change the height and angle of the mounted object. When assembling large components such as SUV or Jeep doors, workers often adopt awkward postures due to the need to perform tasks across the entire surface of the door in a predefined sequence. This can include overhead work on the door rim or bending the torso due to poor visibility and accessibility of the work area. The adaptive workstation is designed to mitigate these physical challenges by ergonomically positioning the door, improving posture during task execution, and enhancing visibility, while ensuring optimal lighting conditions. Either by scanning parts or manually, using the onboard graphical user interface. In Felice, the AI-powered Human Behavior Understanding module acquires visual information from stationary cameras to capture and assess ergonomic postures during assembly activities based on the Ergonomic Assessment Worksheet tool for physical ergonomics assessment in industry. Moreover, the 3D worker motion and the cart motion are estimated and combined to predict the completion of the task cycle in the current workstation. Using the data from the cameras, the station reconfigures itself between line segments to accommodate new workers, reducing physical stress. Discover more about Felice and be part of our community. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share, or visit us on Twitter and LinkedIn.